Welcome to Motorman. In this channel we are providing information about different accessories of automotives. Follow the video description and click on the links for more details. Let's watch the video. Number 1. Tiger Auto T3 Soft Tri-Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover TGBC3 F1042. Fits with 2015 to 2020 Ford F150 style side 6.5 feet bed. The aerodynamic design saves gas. Cover is dual-coated and made out of heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl, with aircraft-grade aluminum frames, and comes with stainless steel clamps for easy installation and great durability and hold strong even 6.5 inches snowfall. Pre-assembled horizontal crossbars offer support and conveniently fold up with the cover providing full bed access when needed. Easy no-drilling installation with instruction and mounting hardware provided. Small holes will need to be cut in the bed liner for vehicles equipped with over-the-bed rail bed liner to secure the clamps for proper cover installation, included front clamp for security and rear for quick latch. Tiger provides limited lifetime warranty. Number 2. Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover 53316. Fits 2015 to 2020 Ford F150 6 feet 6 inches bed. It is made in the USA and supported by our USA-based customer service team. Installation process is very easy and fast. Simply clamp the rails on without the use of a drill. Cover assembly comes with everything you need for a simple install. You can access 100% of the truck bed, roll the cover towards the cab and secure with the storage strap for full access to your bed. Gator provides limited lifetime warranty. The Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up is backed by a lifetime warranty on the frame and a 10-year warranty on the tarp. Number 3. Truxedo Truck Sport Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover 297,701. Fits 15 to 20 Ford F-150 6 inches bed. Truck Sport is designed to be exceptionally easy to use. Simply unlock the tailgate latches and roll up your cover. It is engineered with a heavy-duty 1.5 inches frame and equipped with high-quality leather embossed vinyl that stand guard against weather and keep your cargo dry and secure during all weather situations. Easy under 30 minutes full installation. Easily clamp the rails onto your truck bed, attach the cover roll and go. No drilling or special tools necessary. Fabric is built to help protect your cargo from the harshest of elements. Preset tension controls are conveniently integrated into the dual latching system to keep the cover tight and looking its best all year round. Truck Sport providing 5-year no-hassle warranty, and we are committed to providing you the best service at all times. Number 4. Backflip G2 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover 226,327. Fits 2015-20 Ford F150 6 feet 6 inches bed. 100% bed accessible. The low-profile Backflip G2 hard folding cover allows you to drive with the cover fully closed, folded or flipped up without covering the third brake light. This cover features durable aluminum panels and an automatic latching system, providing greater security over vinyl covers. The G2 is operational from either side of the truck bed with quick-release cables under the panels. The G2's prop rods hold the cover upright while open, and they securely stow away when the cover is partially or fully closed. The dual-action tailgate seal allows you to close the tailgate with the cover open or closed. Make your purchase with confidence. The Backflip G2 tonneau cover is weight-rated up to 300 pounds. It is easy to install and has a 3-year hassle-free warranty. Number 5. Tonno Pro Tonneau Fold Soft Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Tough, double-sided vinyl material covers a powder-coated aluminum frame for maximum protection. This dependable, tri-folding cover has water-resistant edging along its perimeter to keep water out of your truck bed and cargo secured. Completely remove entire cover in minutes to carry oversized cargo for smaller items. Simply fold it forward and securely buckle in place at cab, or keep cover completely closed to protect your cargo from dirt, rain or wind. Tonneau Fold Truck Bed Cover comes pre-assembled with durable side rail clamps, allowing for an impressive 10-minute install. This folding cover is lightweight and only takes one person to install, remove and fold. No drilling required. Tonno Pro is a US-based brand that focuses on quality, affordability, and ease of installation for every truck bed cover in its inventory. As with all Tonno Pro covers, Tonno Fold Truck Bed Cover is backed by a limited lifetime guarantee. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our channel Motorman and press the bell button to get more update and video on Motorman on YouTube.